everyone, I am Adesh. I am a graduate civil engineer. I completed my engineering from Mysore. Currently, I am working in Bangalore as a design engineer. Also, I take interior projects, I take construction projects also. And coaching is my passion. I am doing this for passion. Let's start with this. If you are new to this channel, please subscribe so that you can learn, and I am trying to give all the knowledge I have shared, all the knowledge I have about graphics design, civil engineering and architecture design aspects to all of my friends through this YouTube channel. If you want to learn, please subscribe to this channel and don't miss any updates. For that, you please on that notification icon also. Next, coming to this AutoCAD. This is the tutorial 1, introduction. Why we need to learn AutoCAD? That's the first thing we need to know. AutoCAD is considered as an engineering software. When we say about engineering, engineering means it comes with few features. For example, if you are seeing this thumbnail now, this thumbnail is not an engineering software, engineering drawing, or it is an engineering drawing. How to say that? For that we need to think of few things. If you see the text has a particular height, dimension and a style, and we can copy the same font, same size of text, same color to other drawing also. Next, coming to that photo. If you see the photo, in this photo, we can copy this also by getting the frame size. But without duplicating, we can't get the exact frame size for this. That's why it will not be considered as engineering design. One more example, you might have seen that scenery drawings, wall frames in your home or in your office. You will not consider those as engineering drawings because in that there is no particular dimension and all. We will discuss about this in few minutes. We will go on to know why we need to learn AutoCAD first. AutoCAD, they are telling us the strategic value of mastering AutoCAD software. When we tell about strategy is an approach. In the AutoCAD, through AutoCAD, we will learn the approach of design, which is very, very, very essential. Not only designing, the approach is very important in designing. That we will learn from the AutoCAD. AutoCAD is the mother of all design softwares. Even my journey began by learning AutoCAD in my college days. Coming to next, introduction. In this, if you see what it is written there, highlighted words. In today's competitive landscape, mastering AutoCAD software is crucial for efficiency and precision in design and also in engineering. This presentation will explore the strategic value of integrating AutoCAD in your workflow. If you see highlighted words, efficiency and precision it is talking about. We will discuss about this, how efficient AutoCAD helps for efficiency and precision. Coming to next, enhance productivity. AutoCAD is not just for designing and giving it to a execution team. It is also about productivity. Even though execution happens, most of the productivity happens in the execution, but it starts with AutoCAD only. Why? If you see, mastering AutoCAD leads to streamline design process, which is nothing but an approach, increased productivity and improved project timelines. Even we can scale up the timings in this also. AutoCAD empowers professionals to create, modify designs with speed and accuracy. Having design is not sufficient. Having a perfect design will help you to improve your speed and accuracy. Coming to next, precision engineering. AutoCAD enables precise and detailed engineering designs, ensuring that every component and measurement is accurately represented. The software's advanced tools and features support the creation of complex engineering schematics and blueprints. If you see the image in that, just by seeing the image you can execute. When I was working as a QC engineer in a project, there I learned execution is not only about handling inside. It starts from the drawing itself. There is any mistake in the drawing, the entire project fails. So precision is very important in engineering drawings. Next, coming to collaborative workflows. This is an interesting concept which every engineer should learn, because not only engineers, any designer should know this. Even if you are a graphic designer, you will get content from someone, you will get images from someone, you will get ideas from someone. You have to collaborate all these things and show it in a graphical representation. We call it as graphics design. The same thing comes to in here. When we are working on a project, if you see the image, there are three people. One of them is architect, one of them is structural engineer or a civil engineer, one of them is a plumbing or HVAC engineer. All of them are working together on the same file. Earlier there were no this feature was not there. We had to wait till the drawing comes from architect, then it will go to structural or civil engineer. He will make corrections in that if he, and it will go back to architect, again it will come back to him, then it will come back to plumbing again if any changes needed again. This is the process they used to have now. Now if you imagine this in the same file, what you are seeing now on your screen, the same file, when you are designing here, someone else can also sit there and design the same thing in his laptop also, and whatever he will do and whatever he will do is updating on same file. Means how much work we reduced here. All this will happen through cloud-based platforms, and AutoCAD will allow us to do this also. We will see that in our tutorials. Next, customization capabilities. This is talking about templates. Repetitive tasks you can avoid by creating a few templates, libraries we call it. Whenever you want to add a few common annotation styles, you can directly import them and work on that. This is why we will use AutoCAD, and it has that best feature of customizing the software for your need. Next, efficient documentation. As I was telling you, execution is all about following drawings. If you are following design process, what they designed in AutoCAD, then your execution will be perfect. That's why documentation is important. And when you don't have that documentation feature, assume that you are giving drawing to execution team. There will be few revision drawings also. If you don't save your previous design revisions, then if execution team loses the printouts, whatever the hard copy they have, then it will be a big problem to go back and redesign the same again. But not only this, how to order, sequence those revision drawings, and how to segregate them for architectural drawings, structural drawings, all these things. Dimensioning we call this, and this is very complex work. If you analyze as a QC engineer, for him this is a big task to maintain the documentation of these works. So for this, AutoCAD will help us to do it easily. Next, coming to next important reason to learn AutoCAD is advanced visualization. If you see the drawing in that, all it started with a simple 2D line circles, and if you see now, the drawing is converted into a 3D object which you can feel before manufacturing. Visualization we call. Even without wasting a small piece of material, small part of material even without wasting a small amount of energy on mm, manufacturing that. We can completely visualize how it will look, what of materials we can apply to that, what is the best suitable material. Even without wasting this material, we can apply material, and here we can check. And that is the benefit of learning AutoCAD. Next, cost saving. As we discussed in this previous one, before starting the execution work, we are analyzing, we are visualizing the design completely, which means we are saving most of us our cost in this. There is nothing to redo and undo. Everything we can make changes in the system itself, and the final design, perfect approach, we can submit it as the final thing. Then the execution work starts, which will save our time, energy, and money. Next, industry integration, which we spoke about this in collaboration. Here it is mentioning the same. AutoCAD is widely integrated across various industries, including architecture, engineering, construction, and manufacturing. Its ubiquity makes it a valuable skill for professionals seeking opportunities in these sectors. Next, continuous learning. The dynamic nature of AutoCAD necessitates ongoing learning and skill development to stay updated with the latest features and capabilities. Embracing a learning mindset is essential for leveraging the full potential of the software. I will tell you, it is not that difficult to learn mm, 10, 15 softwares. It's very easy if you learn one software properly. How to learn, that matters. The approach of learning. If you learn from me, I will assure you definitely you will learn at least 10 to 15 softwares from me. The way I approach, my approach is for teaching, and I will how you will learn in sequence. Both of this will sync, and definitely you will be curious to learn more about this graphics, animation, architecture, and engineering drawings. Here, the next advantage of learning is mastering. AutoCAD provides organizations and professionals with a strategic advantage in the market by enhancing efficiency, precision, and innovation in design and engineering processes. It fosters a culture of excellence and competitiveness. In conclusion, mastering AutoCAD software offers tremendous strategic value by enhancing productivity, enabling precision engineering, promoting collaboration, and driving cost savings. Embracing AutoCAD empowers professionals to excel in their respective industries and drive innovation. If you want to learn anything more about this, or if you want to learn advanced things, you can approach me, write an email, or I have given the contact number also, or else you have our website, you can visit our website, or directly you can follow us through Instagram also. Adish nowadays you can search it in on Google also. You will get all the required details. To approach me, you can contact me. Stay tuned for the next video. Soon I will be starting with the tutorials, actual tutorials of how AutoCAD starts. For your information, if you learn AutoCAD perfectly, you will mesmerize with the amazing innovations happening in this design industry. You will not learn anything else. Most of the time you will spend on this. Later you will thank yourself for making this decision to learn design skills. Thank you for watching this tutorial. Stay tuned for the next tutorial. We will see you soon. Thank you. Bye.
Power off.